Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing a long-term, cost-effective clean water solution, the PUR Plus Mineral Core Faucet Mount Water Filter Replacement, available here as a 6-pack for up to 18 months of use. Filtration technology. These filters use PUR's advanced mineral core filtration, combining activated carbon with natural minerals. The system is designed to reduce lead, chlorine taste and odor, and other common contaminants found in tap water. Health and safety. Lead exposure is a serious health concern, and PUR Plus filters are NSF certified for lead reduction. This makes them ideal for drinking water, cooking, baby formula preparation, and daily household use. Compatibility. These are compatible replacement filters for PUR faucet-mounted water filtration systems. They are engineered to fit securely while maintaining proper water flow and filtration efficiency. Lifespan and value. Each filter typically lasts up to 3 months, depending on water quality and usage. With 6 filters included, you get an 18-month supply, significantly reducing replacement frequency and cost. Installation and daily use. Filter replacement is quick, tool-free, and can be done in seconds. Once installed, the water tastes noticeably cleaner and fresher. Verdict. If you're using a PUR faucet system, this 6-pack mineral core replacement set is one of the smartest buys you can make. Like the video, subscribe for more water and home essential reviews, and comment below how often you change your faucet filter. Hey guys, welcome back to my